Hello, dear beauty professionals. Heartily welcome to the Inspira Made Training Center, and today I will show you the holistic cosmetic therapy to intensive skin rejuvenation with the products of Inspira Made and the unique Skin Wizard machine. Thank you. Dear beauty professionals, first I start with the cleansing, as usual, with the prime cleanser of Inspira Made. The second step of this treatment begins with the exfoliator, as I show you, the exfoliant peel 20. The 20 you can take with the hands like I do, or with a pencil. Be careful with the acid that you leave it on the skin, in the forehead area, nose area, also in the eye area, like here in this way, and over the lips, and also neck party area. After 3 or 20 minutes, take off the acid and be carefully, if you have a very sensitive skin, leave the acid only 3 minutes, or if you have a very normal skin or a very cornified skin, you can leave it for 20 minutes on. Wash it away thoroughly with water once or twice. After washing away the acid, please take, as I showed you before, the neutralizing gel, put it on, leave it on for some seconds, and if you don't see any more like a foaming, then the acid is neutralized. Now wash it away also with cold water. After you wash away the acid neutralizer, please take a tissue and make the skin dry. For now we take then the machine. The first step will be the peel. For the next step we take the peel handpiece. The peel handpiece will be installed like that. First start, then you take the handpiece and the cable. You put just the cable on and you try to move it and it clicks automatically inside. After this, you take now the applicator. The sterile applicator, you put it out. You have 2 pieces. So this is the peel piece and this is the so-called capsula. So please be carefully that you just put on and have a little click inside. Very safety, not too strong. Put it in, like this is normal. And then take the capsula and put it over. Then you start the drive and you go for the first step, like 35. Dear beauty professionals, Now we take the handpiece. We have just on. Now we push on dry. And now we go on with high to 35 for the first treatment. We start at the chimney and have very safe movements in between the stretching of the fingers, and don't have too much pressure. Just leave it on the skin very softly. You can take this peel, this mechanical peel, also during the summertime, because there is no crystal which is left on the skin, or diamond abrasion which hurts a little bit the skin. And you don't have any vacuum. And that makes it possible that we can do this treatment the whole year. Also, you can take it under the eyes, but very short movements and no pressure. Just very softly over the skin. Also the nose area and under the eyebrow. And of course, the forehead. You can take this kind of mechanical peel for all skin types, even acne skin or cuperosis or very sensitive skin. You can make also the skin and also the neck. In the neck area, please also very long movements, no pressure, up or down. The next step will start with another handpiece, and this handpiece is the soft needling. So now you change only the handpiece by removing the cable and take the handpiece L. You put it in the cable and then you start with the needle L. You take it out. And here you have also two pieces. That's meaning we have the needling. The needling you put first inside the hole. You just make a little click. After that you take the next applicator and put it on. And for this I have to show you something which is very important. You will see here some information of little steps, and this has to be put down. So if you have only here in the wrong way, it's falling down. So if you have it in the right way, you put these little steps here first inside, and then it's holding and nothing comes out. We start also with 35 for the first treatment. Drive. As you can see, it's automatically shown in the display which handpiece you have, and you go high to 35. You start the treatment also at the chimney, and here you have to be very sure that you have it directly 90 degrees on the skin. You don't make too quick movements, just slow movements. You always have to stretch in between the two fingers. What you can do is also from left side to right side. If if you come to the eye area, be very soft, no pressure, and you can go directly to the eye area. Stretch the skin a little bit down. No pressure, just very soft with the needling. Also under the eyebrow. At the forehead, please only make the movements in this direction, not in the straight direction. Just here from left to the right side. Now, because of that we have a lot of microchannels in the face, we take now the product with the active ingredients of Face Sculpture Serum. And please be very generous for this application, because the skin is open and needs now a lot of nutrition. Therefore 1 or 2 pumps, if necessary also a 3rd pump. You put it on over the whole face. And also the neck area. You make it with a light massage. Especially for wrinkles and for scars, we have another handpiece. And another handpiece we just block in. And as you can see now, it's changing to Lift S. Then we take also the applicators for it. And therefore we have also 2 parts. One with the little needles, against the wrinkles. You push it on. You block it in with a little click. Then you take, sometimes when the rubber here or O-ring is a little bit dry because of environment, we just take a little bit cream on, just a very little one. You take the capsula and you put the capsula over the earring very easily. And then you just go to drive. And please don't get higher with the intensity, like 25, not more. Now we begin with the treatment of the wrinkles. We start at the wrinkle area first by making just little steps like points inside the wrinkle, also back. After that, at the same place where we have done the points, we make then a line. We go with the line through and back, but very, very softly and also with no pressure and not too fast. Then after the line we make little, very, very little circles over the wrinkle, through and back. If, for example, you have a scar, you only make points in the scar. Please work very, very slowly. And then little circles inside the scars. Don't work too fast. You have more intensity if you work very, very slowly. The same you can do with pigment spots, and as I told you, as I do it like that with the scars. After the procedure of the needling activation of the skin, we just now put on the biocellulose mask, which is a very intensive age-defining and anti-aging mask, which is calming, which is just gives a little powering system into the skin, and also with a lot of ingredients for the anti-aging effect. Just we prepare it before. We place now the mask, especially the white area, which we put on the face, and the blue we just put out. Please be careful. So now we lift off the blue . And it's like a second skin, this kind of mask, as you can see. You pull it away, step by step, just to show you. You place it directly on the skin. Around the eye area for a better result. And leave it on for the next 10 minutes. Now we take the eye care cream first, especially in the eye area. We place it under the eye and also under the eyebrow. You can do also very little movements, like a little massage for the eye area if you like. After that, we take the cream, and the cream is called the Maximum Age Protection SPF 13, and you will have with this cream 3 options. The first option is, as we say, the SPF 30 for the protection, because always if you have then a needling before or a peeling before, it's very safe to take then the special cream after. The second option which you have with this cream is the so-called anti-aging function. Inside we have a lot of anti-aging ingredients. And the third is the calming process and also the evening process. It's like a CC cream to make the skin very even and have a very smooth looking. So also the pores and the redness will calm down and it looks very even and very nicely. It's like that you have a new glow on the face. I just want to say goodbye, and I wish you good luck and a lot of success with this kind of treatment. And I think my little sweetheart will now tell you how she has a feeling now on her face.
It's wonderful. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye bye.